In a world where displacement is a reality, many organizations rise to provide support to refugees. The International Rescue Committee stands tall, globally offering resources. Meanwhile, the Lutheran Immigration and Refugee Service lends a hand to refugees and immigrants in the United States. Doctors Without Borders, a beacon of hope, delivers medical assistance in crisis situations. The Jesuit Refugee Service, an advocate for rights and protection, provides comprehensive support. The Organization for Refuge, Asylum and Migration, Refugees International and Refugee Council USA all champion life-saving assistance, human rights and protection for displaced people globally. A light shines, offering health, education, shelter and more. The International Refugee Assistance Project creates connections through peer-to-peer fundraising, while the Ethiopian Community Development Council supports displaced persons in various capacities. Together, these organizations paint a picture of compassion and action, a testament to the strength of humanity.